Welcome back to another video. Today we have new tools from Harbor Freight. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon. Big shout out to Josh for letting us know that these tools are up. I usually check every 2 or 3 days, but lately I haven't been checking. But big shout out to Josh McQuincy for letting us know what's going on with Harbor Freight. Anyways, let's go ahead and get started. We got the 12-inch single bevel compact miter saw for $199. A lot of these tools, guys, will be going on sale, so this is not the final price. Obviously, Harbor Freight markets, that's the way they market. So these will drop. These prices will drop sooner or later. Got the Bauer 12-inch single bevel compact miter saw, $199, as it is just a single bevel. Still a great little miter saw, as you guys see there. A lot of good features in it. That's the side view there, and that's the back, the other side view, and it does have a clamp. So a nice basic saw here for the. Alright, so next one is the Bauer 8-amp 3-inch by 21 variable speed belt sander. Looks like this is corded, $59.99. You get the power cord right there. Pretty much your adjuster there for that. Looks pretty nice. So yeah, I'm pretty sure it's replacing the Warrior or the other one. I forgot what the Chicago Electric. All right, the next one down is 20 volts by 120. So you can use a battery or you could use an extension cord. Lithium-ion dual power 2-gallon wet and dry portable vacuum tool, only $119.99, and looks pretty nice. And they are expanding the line, so that's the way it looks from this side. Looks like you got the battery compartment here to the right. Everything's nice and tucked in with this new design, and then you got the power cord on the top. Obviously, you got a handle there or something. That's the side view with the battery, and that's the hole where you're gonna put in the or oh, it does have a nice accessory here built in. That's really clever. And then you got the on and off button on the top. Really looks really nice. Got a reusable mask, $4.99. All right, the next one down, you got the US Mechanics cart black trim 5-piece. $9.99. This is for the 5-drawer mechanics cart. Definitely a really nice accessory. If you want to take out the chrome and put some black in, change the color. You got the 12-volt lithium 3/8 cordless drill driver and then flashlight kit, $24.99. We had the 20 volt, but we haven't seen the 12 volt. This is a really a new line. A new line, basically, really basic. This is just built for hanging a picture frame, and that's it. So nothing major here. A really basic drill. As you guys see, the price, it's not so expensive, meant for the DIY at home, basically. Here's the drill by itself for $19.99. Then we got some Bauer grinding this bench grinding wheel, 8-inch by 1, $9.99. And then here's another one, 6-inch by 3/4 by 1-inch bench grinding wheel, $6.99. But we already went over these. This is the new Earthquake XT half-inch compact extreme torque right angle air impact wrench, $129.99. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one.